Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your English course book. Open your English course book, page number 60. Open your English course book, page number 60. King Midas and his golden touch. Already we started that lesson now. Who is Midas? Midas was a king. How is he? He was a greedy king, no? He was a greedy king. He is not satisfied with anyone, with anything. He has much. He was the emperor. He is a large kingdom. Sorry, he had a large kingdom. And he had much property. He had a lot of jewels. And also he had a beautiful daughter. Penomia. What's the Philomena? What's the daughter name? Philomena. Her daughter name was Philomena. She was a beautiful girl. Okay. Then also he was not satisfied. He want always. He is wanting something. He is not satisfied anywhere and anything. Okay, one of the day God informer came to his kingdom, and King Midas also received him happily. King Midas also received the god follower happily. He too happy. Who is he? The follower is called Silenus. The follower called as Silenus. Okay? He too very happy. He too very happy with the hospitality of King Midas. King Midas చాలా బాగా చూసుకుంటాడు. అతిథిని గెస్ట్ని చాలా బాగా చూసుకుంటాడు. కాబట్టి సిలెనస్ కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీ అవుతాడు. హ్యాపీ అయి while Silenus was going, while he was leaving, while Silenus was leaving the palace, Silenus asked Midas to ask for a wish. He wanted to grant that. Silenus asked King Midas for a wish. ఏదైనా విష్ కోరుకోని అడుగుతాడు. But King Midas was a greedy man, no? That's what at right now I am not getting anything into my mind. He said like that. He wanted to ask for the finest horse, but that is not enough, he thought. He wanted to ask for the beautiful palace, but that is not enough for me, he said. Like that, he think about a lot of things, but they are not satisfied. They are not enough. అంతకంటే ఇంకా గొప్పది ఏదైనా కోరుకోవాలి. ఫైనెస్ట్ హార్ కోరుకోవచ్చు. విష్ కోరుకున్నాను అనుకో, అంతకంటే ఇంకా గ్రేట్ వన్ ఉంటుంది కావచ్చు. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్యాలెస్ కోరుకున్నాను అనుకో, అంతకంటే గ్రేట్ వన్ ఉంటుంది కావచ్చు. సో హీ ఈస్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ విష్. అంతకంటే ఒక చాలా గొప్పదైన విష్ని కోరుకుందామని ఆలోచిస్తూనే ఉంటాడు. He did not get anything into his mind. That's what he asked the Silenus also. You must give me a great wish. మీరు ఏదైనా నాకు మంచి వరం ఇవ్వండి అని అడుగుతాడు. అయితే Silenus అంటాడు, No, I am not getting anything into my mind. You must wish for any time. I am going now. Silenus ఏమంటాడు రా, I am going now. నేను ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా కోరుకో. నీకు నచ్చిన వరాన్ని నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైనా కోరుకో, అది నేను గ్రాంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. I am granting that wish. Anything. If you ask anything, that is granted. Understand me? Silenus said, you must ask for anything. That should be granted. He said, and Silenus left the palace. Okay? He is thinking. Then after going up the Silenus, King Midas is thinking about the wish. Thinking and suddenly he looked at the sky. The sunshine. He saw the sunshine. The sun rays are falling on him. Suddenly he think about the sun. How the sun was. Sun was so beautiful. It was so bright. It's so beautiful. How the sun is looking. If the sun touch anything, it turn into gold. Like that he is shining. Understand me? అవును సన్ రైస్ మనకి దేని మీద అంటే ఏ థింగ్స్ మీద పడ్డా అవి షైన్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, మెరుస్తూ ఉంటాయి, గోల్డ్ లాగా మెరుస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అవునా? సో హౌ ద సన్ ఈజ్ లుకింగ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ హీ టచ్ ఇట్ టర్న్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్. సో వేరెవర్ ద సన్ రైస్ ఆర్ ఫాలింగ్, దే ఆర్ షైనింగ్. సన్ రైస్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ పడుతున్నాయి అవన్నీ షైన్ అవుతున్నాయి. అవునా? సో ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ దట్ విష్, హౌ బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఇఫ్ ఐ టచ్ ఎనీ వన్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ టర్న్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్, హౌ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఇట్స్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ నా. హీ థాట్ లైక్ దట్. ఏమనుకున్నాడా, ఏం విష్ కోరుకున్నాడు చూసారా? సన్ రైస్ ఎక్కడ పడితే అవి అక్కడ మెరుస్తున్నాయి, గోల్డ్ లాగా మెరుస్తున్నాయి కదా. ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ద విష్, ఇఫ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ద విష్ ఆఫ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ టచ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను దేన్ని టచ్ చేసినా అది గోల్డ్ లాగా చేంజ్ అనుకో, ఎంత బాగుంటుంది. ఇట్స్ అ ప్రెజెంట్ నౌ, ఇట్స్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ నౌ. ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ గోల్డ్. If I touch anything, if it turn into gold, then I have lot of gold. I became the richest man. I would become the richest man in the world. So he wished for that wish. Understand me? Em korukunna cheppandi ipudu. Whatever he touch, that has to turn into gold. ఏది టచ్ చేసినా అది ఎందులో చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి, గోల్డ్లో చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి. ఈ థాట్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్. ఓకే, దట్ ఇట్ వాజ్ గ్రాంటెడ్. ఆల్రెడీ హీ సెడ్ నో. సిలినస్ ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాడు, మీరు ఏది కోరుకుంటే అది జరుగుతుందని చెప్పేస్తాడు. నౌ వాట్ హీ విష్డ్, హీ విష్డ్ ఫర్ వాట్ హీ టచ్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టర్న్ ఇంటు గోల్డ్. ఓకే, ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ దేర్? ఇఫ్ యూ టచ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ టర్న్ ఇంటు గోల్డ్, ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ దేర్? మనం టచ్ చేసిందంతా గోల్డ్ అయిపోయింది అనుకో, ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుందా మనకు? ఉండదా? వాట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ హీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫేస్, విల్ సీ. Very tired, he called his servant to bring him water. The servants returned with a bronze cup. As Midas touched it, it turned into gold. He was dumbfounded until he remembered. My wish, Silenus has kept his promise. But have I really the power to turn everything I touch to gold? Okay, whenever he came to the palace, no? Okay, he became tired. That's what he asked the servants to bring a glass of water. King Midas ordered the servants to bring a glass of water. Servants came. Servants brought a glass of water and they gave to the king. Whenever King Midas touched the bronze glass, whenever he touched the bronze glass, soon after, when he touched it, soon after, the bronze glass turned into gold. The bronze glass turned into gold. King Midas was delighted, very happy, because King Silenus gave me Vishnu. It is working. He kept his promise. సిలిండర్స్ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాడు? నువ్వు ఏది కోరుకుంటే అది ఖచ్చితంగా జరుగుతుందని ప్రామిస్ చేసి వెళ్ళాడు కదా. He kept his promise. Yes, his word is proving here. Whatever I touch, it turned into gold. I touched the bronze glass, it turned into gold. He was very, very happy and enjoyed a lot. Next, what happened? We'll see. How do you find out if the gold is pure or not? Have you visited jewelry shop? Try to visit one and find out details that you think will help you buy pure gold. Discuss with your teacher and the next day. Midas ran around the room, touching the pillars, the tables and chairs. They all turned instantly to gold. It works, he cried. I shall be the wealthiest man in the world has ever known. He danced, he shouted and ran through his palace, touching everything he could. Soon the palace was ablaze with golden light. How rich I am, he shouted in a trump. Exhausted, he returned to his throne room and sat down. He lifted the golden cup to his mouth. No water poured onto his parched lips, only a bitter golden powder. This water tasted like mud. Bring me peaches, he demanded. A servant returned with a drink and a bowl of fruit. King Midas picked up a peach, but as it bit into it screamed. This peach is as hard as stone. He looked at it, and it too had turned into gold. He was very happy because whatever he touching, it is turning into gold. He was very happy now. So he jumping and he's trying to touch all the things around in the room. He touched the walls. Walls turned into gold. He touched the chairs. Chairs also turned into gold. He touched the tables. Tables also turned into gold. All his room. He touched everything. All the items. What are the items he touched? All turned into gold. There is a shining of gold. Brightness of gold. Gold బాగా మెరుస్తుంటుంది కదరా. రూమ్ మొత్తం గోల్డ్ అయిపోయింది కదా. కొంచెం షైన్ అవుతుంది. He was very delighted. He was very, very happy. There is no stops for his enjoyment. Okay. He was very, very happy. Chala happy unnadu. He is touching everything. All the items are turning into gold. He was very, very happy. Then he came back into his throne room. He came back into the throne room and he asked the servants. Felt he was hungry. He called his servants for a peach. He called his servants for the fruits. Peach is one of the fruit. Kada? Peach is one of the fruit. He called his servants to bring some of peaches. Then soon after, the servants brought a bowl of peaches and also a glass of water. Okay? Then he sat in his throne room and has taken one of the peach. He tried to eat it. Understand me? First of all, before eating the peach, he tried to drink water. He has taken the glass of water and drinking. Glass turned into gold and glass of water is there now. Water is turned into gold, liquid gold. ఇది లిక్విడ్ కదరా, లిక్విడ్ గోల్డ్ అయిపోయింది అక్కడ. Okay, while he is drinking, he is feeling of drinking, not drinking of water. He is drinking of mud. అది లిక్విడ్ గోల్డ్ లిక్విడ్ అయింది కదరా, తాగినప్పుడు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతుందంటే మడ్ తాగినట్టుగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు. వై ద వాటర్ ఈస్ ఫీలింగ్ లైక్ మడ్, he thought to himself. Then he has taken one of the peach, and he bite it. Whenever he bite it, it was too hard. He is not breaking that. పీచ్ తీసుకుని కురకడం స్టార్ట్ చేశారు, అది బ్రేక్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ బ్రేకింగ్. వై ద పీచ్ ఇస్ టూ హార్డ్ లైక్ ఎ స్టోన్. ఎందుకు ఇంత స్టోన్ అయిపోయింది, గట్టిగా ఉంది ఏంటి అని చూస్తున్నాడు. ద పీచ్ ఆల్సో టర్న్డ్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్. ఇస్ దేర్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్? నో డ్రింకింగ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, no food. How do we live? If you touch anything, all are turning into gold. మనం టచ్ చేసిందంతా గోల్డ్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోరా, మరి ఏం తిందాంరా? వాట్ డు వి ఈట్? ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ టర్నింగ్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్, ఈవెన్ ద పీచెస్, వాటర్ ఆల్సో. Midas was crowing with pride. I am so rich, shouted, dazzled by light flashing from the gold throne and the pillar all around him, deaf to everything except the sound of his own thoughts. He didn't see Philomena coming towards him. Father, what is all this? Midas bent down to lift her into his arms. Philomena, look around you. Is it not wonderful? Everything I touch turns to gold. But Philomena could say nothing. She too hard turned to gold. Midas looked down at Philomena. He touched her face, but her skin was like ice. Her hair felt like thorns, and her smile was an ugly grin. His tears fell down on her cheeks and formed golden glitters. What have I done? God Dionysus, forgive my greed. Philomena is more precious to me than all this gold could ever be. Then also he did not realize, whenever he tried to eat the peach also turned into gold. Peach kuda gold lo turn ayindi kadra. Then also he is not realized what is his mistake. తన తప్పేందని ఇంకా రియలైజ్ కాలేదు అతనికి. అగైన్ హీ ఈస్ ఫీలింగ్ డిలైట్. ఓ, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బికమ్ ద వెల్తియెస్ట్ మ్యాన్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. అన్ని గోల్డ్ అయిపోతున్నాయంటే గోల్డ్ మొత్తం అమ్మేసాను అనుకో, నేను చాలా రిచ్ అయిపోతాను. ఐ విల్ బికమ్ ద రిచెస్ట్ మ్యాన్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. ఓకే, హీ ఈస్ ఫీలింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ బై లుకింగ్ అరౌండ్ ద గోల్డ్. చుట్టూ బంగారు గోల్డే ఉంది కదరా, ఆ గోల్డ్ అంతా చూసి చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బికమ్ ద రిచెస్ట్ మ్యాన్, ఐఎమ్ ద గ్రేట్ పర్సన్, వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ పర్సన్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ హూ టచ్ ద థింగ్స్ టర్న్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్. He thought to himself and he was very, very happy. Okay, after some time, her youngest daughter, Philomena, is coming. Okay, she is coming by seeing all around. అంతా చూస్తూ వస్తుంది. Okay, she entered into the room and asked, Dad, Father, what is this? Everything is turning gold. What is this? What is this shining? What is the brightness? What is this, Dad? Philomena asked to her father. Okay? Then when Philomena came near to the King Midas wants to lift her. He wants to lift her daughter. That's what he touched Philomena. Whenever he touched Philomena also turned into gold. And he didn't see that. చూడకుండా King Midas is saying that. What he is saying? See Nana, see, you must see around me. Whatever I am touching, that all are turning into gold. You must see me. ఇక్కడ చూడు నేను ఏదైతే టచ్ చేస్తున్నానో అది మొత్తం ఎలా తయారవుతుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ టర్నింగ్ ఇంటూ గోల్డ్. Okay, King Midas said like that. When King Midas said like that, Philomena was silent. No words, not talking anything. Chudu, your father, whenever your father is touching anything, that is turning into gold. మీ డాడీ ఏది టచ్ చేస్తే అది గోల్డ్ అయిపోతుంది. సి నేను వాళ్ళ డాటర్ అంటాడు. బట్ Philomena is not talking. She is speechless. Why you are not talking anything? Philomena and looked at Philomena. ఏం మాట్లాడట్లేదు ఏంటి అని Philomena వైపు చూస్తాడు. Philomena also turned into gold. Philomena also turned into gold. She has a beautiful face. It is looking ugly. Her hair is looking thorns. Her tears are also the golden liquid gold, turned into liquid gold. Like that, she too turned into gold. Philomena also turned into gold whenever King Midas touched her. Now he understood what is a mistake of the wish. Understand? Whenever he touched her daughter also turned into gold. Then he started crying. What is the dangerous wish I wished for? Now he is asking for the God. Dionysus, I did the great mistake. Actually, that type of wish I should not ask. I asked for a dangerous wish. Please forgive me. I want my daughter. I can't live without my daughter. My daughter is a precious thing than the gold. నాకు మా అమ్మాయి కంటే ఇంకా విలువైనది లేదు. My daughter is precious to me than all the things. అన్నింటికంటే మా అమ్మాయి నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. Please forgive me. You must take back your wish. I want my daughter. Like that, King Midas started crying. Okay? My today's class is completed. Bye.